Taking on some curve cutting projects? Or up for detail sanding at corners? You may need a circular saw to deal with large timber. So in this video, we'll show you some coolest Milwaukee tools for all your woodworking tasks. It won't take a long time for you to finish wood projects if there's a detail sander starts action. With that in mind, here comes a small yet effective sander that gets into fine edges and around tight corners easily. The Milwaukee M12 Orbital Detail Sander combines precision, accessibility, and control to achieve the best outcome possible. The best thing about this sander is its triangle sanding pad that allows quick access into the narrow corners and awkward angles where you needed hours to sand before. Most importantly, it brings satin-grade finish onto the surface and maintains a high productivity rate from job to job. Finally, since it comes in a compact design, you're never going to have operating hassles from this little sander. Chainsaws that are heavy and bulky aren't the best option to deal with hardwoods in tight spaces or tree heights. You need something that goes everywhere you go. Meet Milwaukee's 8-inch pruning saw. First things first, it has a super handy design that increases access and control when you're handling challenging cutting applications. It's easy to grab and get attached firmly to your holster, so it will feel like you're climbing up without carrying any tools. You may be worried about efficiency. No problem. It never compromises the power, though it comes in a compact and lightweight design. Even the professional woodworker got surprised after seeing it in action. Big power in a small size. Here's something great for both a carpenter and an electrician. This is Milwaukee's cable stapler for regular wood remodeling projects where you need to manage cables too. Whether you're going through the busiest workshop hours or day-to-day projects, it simply changes the game of cable management in the blink of an eye. The M12 cable stapler delivers unmatched stapling performance with a faster rough-in process in the most compact battery-powered solution. On top of that, it allows you to hang it on your tool holster all day. Even the overhead operations or difficult-to-reach areas are no longer a pain. Don't think about the runtime. You can sync up to 1,200 staples on a single charge. We're sure that's enough to improve productivity. A circular saw is an indispensable tool for the wood pros when it comes to cutting large quantities of lumber and plywood. And if you've got a saw from Milwaukee, there's no doubt the job will be flawless. This M18 rear handle circular saw generates 1,600 watt power to deliver corded type performance for the professional carpenter, renovator, and general contractor. Unlike the other available models, this smaller worm drive style saw produces around 5,800 RPM of speed and allows you to make up to 570 on a single charge. On the other hand, it features an electric blade brake, LED work light, and all magnesium guards and shoes to increase productivity and provide demanding durability, tackling all the challenging jobs. Whenever you're carrying out tasks such as hinge mortising, flush trimming, or edge profiling, you don't want to drag cords. So you better go with this Milwaukee cordless router to pick up the slack. It delivers full corded performance with super convenient depth adjustments. Most importantly, it provides substantial runtime to cut up to 115 meters on a single charge. With the help of a powerful brushless motor, this router generates 1.25 horsepower. Meanwhile, the variable speed trigger lets you choose between different speed modes. The cool ergonomics and sturdy 100mm sub-base plate provide the comfort you've always wanted, stability that makes the project better. Pros have long struggled to find the perfect hammer drill or driver for their woodworking projects. That's why Milwaukee designed this M18 fuel cordless drill that holds the capability to make the largest holes at high speed into the densest materials. It's one of the most compact models you're going to find, meaning the access and maneuverability in tight spaces will be second to none. Plus, the auto stop control mode of this hammer stands for enhanced safety. Thanks to the RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures superior performance and protection from overloading issues. Even overheating isn't a headache anymore. Hold on, it also includes an all-metal ratcheting chuck that maintains improved gripping strength and durability for years of use. Getting peak speeds in seconds is a dream for pros when using a chainsaw. What if you got such a chainsaw that delivers full throttle in under a second? Count on this Milwaukee 35 that runs on an M18 battery and equips a power state brushless motor to maintain speed under heavy load without bogging down. With a variable speed trigger, it allows you to get the exact cutting speed you need. Thanks to its long, durable bar and all-metal bucking spikes, you can cut every thick piece of wood the project brings to you. Not just that, the 35-centimeter chainsaw features an improved chains tensioner and onboard tool storage that increases your productivity. Petrol-type sawing, but without petrol. You won't find a better option than these Milwaukee jig saws for making curved cuts in carpentry projects. This jigsaw includes hardened blades that generate higher speed than the corded ones. It's equipped with a brushless power state motor that delivers ultimate power to cut all the hard material while ensuring longer tool life. You can cut around 32 meters per charge. Thanks to its 5-stage pendulum action, that improves the overall cutting performance. However, the keyless bevel facility on the base plate lets you adjust the cutting angle between 0 and 45 degrees. No wonder the combination of the included dust blower, built-in LED, and the detachable soft shoe will make operations more cozy and fun to do. It's impossible to skip cleaning when you're working with wood, or you're surely going to make a mess. With that in mind, here comes a low-profile pivoting brush tool from Milwaukee. It's a great solution with superb cleaning access in a variety of situations. You can easily get multiple cleaning orientations by using the pivoting joint. Even the overhead and waist level cleanings are no longer a concern anymore. Not just that, the 360-degree swiveling head stands for added cleaning versatility. Want to know the really cool part? This Milwaukee brush tool is compatible with other wet-dry vacuum brands, meaning you don't need to take the hassle if you have a standard-size vacuum in hand. Long story short, measuring comes first when starting any woodworking project. So, let's conclude today's list with Milwaukee's wide blade tape measure, which has the longest, straightest standout of up to 4 meters to take long measurements conveniently. The best thing about this tape measure is you can measure alone without any blade arc. In terms of durability, the tape measure is absolutely wear and impact resistant because of its nylon bond blade protection and additional coating. Meanwhile, it also eliminates tape tearing too. No matter if you threw it by accident or dropped it accidentally, it withstands every low to high pressure out there. Okay, that was the list of the coolest Milwaukee tools for woodworking. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.